What if the way you've been cooking eggs for years is quietly putting your health at risk without you ever realizing it? If you're over 60, eggs can be one of the most valuable foods on your plate. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and loaded with high quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and nutrients that help keep your muscles strong, your brain sharp, and your vision healthy as you age. But here's the part that surprises most people. It's often not the eggs themselves that cause the problem. It's the small, everyday habits that happen before, during, or after cooking them. Many seniors unknowingly make simple mistakes that can increase the risk of foodborne illness, reduce the nutrients their body receives, or create unnecessary worries about cholesterol that are no longer supported by current nutrition research. As we get older, our immune system becomes more vulnerable. So the same mistake that once seemed harmless can have much bigger consequences. In today's video, we'll uncover 4 of the most common egg mistakes people over 60 make every day. More importantly, you'll learn a few easy kitchen habits that can make your eggs safer, more nutritious, and even better for your overall health. Be sure to stay with us until the very end because the final mistake is one that millions of seniors make almost every week, and fixing it takes less than a minute, but could completely change the way you prepare eggs from now on. Before we get started, tell us your age and where you're watching from in the comments below. It's always inspiring to see people from around the world taking small steps toward a healthier, stronger life together. Now let's get started. Mistake number 1 is throwing away the egg yolk. For years, many people believed the yolk was unhealthy because it contains cholesterol, so they ate only the whites. But modern nutrition tells a different story. For most healthy adults over 60, the yolk is actually the most nutrient-rich part of the egg. While the white provides high-quality protein to help maintain muscle, the yolk delivers essential vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and choline, a nutrient that supports memory, learning, and brain function. Since many older adults don't get enough choline, keeping the yolk can make a real difference. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that help protect your eyes and support clearer vision as you age. Vitamin D in the yolk helps your body absorb calcium, keeping bones stronger and lowering the risk of fractures. The healthy fats also improve the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K, making every meal more nutritious. Unless your doctor has advised you to avoid whole eggs because of a specific medical condition, tossing the yolk may mean throwing away the most valuable part. Think of the egg as a complete package. The white supports your muscles, while the yolk nourishes your brain, eyes, and bones. Together, they provide balanced nutrition, making the whole egg the smarter choice for healthy aging. Mistake number 2 is eating undercooked eggs. A runny yolk may taste delicious, but after age 60, it can become a health risk. As we get older, our immune system weakens, making it harder to fight harmful bacteria. One of the biggest concerns is salmonella, which can be present even in eggs that look perfectly fresh. Since you can't tell by appearance alone, eating raw or undercooked eggs increases the risk of infection. For older adults, salmonella can cause severe stomach cramps, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and dehydration. People with diabetes, heart disease, kidney problems, or weakened immune systems face an even greater risk of serious complications. The safest choice is simple. Cook eggs until both the white and yolk are fully set. This destroys harmful bacteria while preserving the high-quality protein and valuable nutrients eggs provide. If you enjoy foods made with raw eggs, such as Caesar dressing, homemade mayonnaise, or chocolate mousse, use pasteurized eggs instead. They are specially treated to reduce bacteria without changing the taste or nutrition. Healthy aging often comes down to small daily habits. Skipping a runny yolk may seem like a minor sacrifice, but it can greatly reduce your risk of foodborne illness. Spending a few extra minutes cooking your eggs is a simple step that helps protect your health, keeps you stronger for years to come. Mistake number 3 is leaving cooked eggs out for too long. It may seem harmless to leave scrambled eggs or hard-boiled eggs on the table after breakfast, then come back later for another bite. They may still look fresh, smell fine, and taste normal, but harmful bacteria can multiply quickly at room temperature. Even perfectly cooked eggs become unsafe if they sit out too long. This is especially important after age 60, when the immune system is less effective at fighting foodborne illness. While younger adults may recover quickly, older adults face a greater risk of severe dehydration, weakness, and even hospitalization. Food safety experts recommend never leaving cooked eggs at room temperature for more than 2 hours. On hot days or during outdoor gatherings, that limit drops to just 1 hour. The safest habit is to refrigerate leftover eggs as soon as possible in a clean, covered container. Keep your refrigerator at the proper temperature and reheat leftovers until they are steaming hot before eating. If you're ever unsure how long cooked eggs have been sitting out, follow one simple rule. When in doubt, throw it out. Tossing a few eggs may feel wasteful, but it's far better than dealing with a serious illness. Healthy aging isn't just about eating nutritious foods, it's also about handling them safely. Simple habits like refrigerating leftovers promptly can protect your health, reduce your risk of food poisoning, and help you enjoy every meal with greater confidence. Mistake number 4 is cross-contaminating your kitchen. It's one of the easiest food safety mistakes to make because it often happens without you noticing. While most people worry about what's inside a raw egg, the shell can also carry harmful bacteria. As you crack eggs, those germs can spread to your hands, countertops, utensils, and nearby foods. If you touch fresh fruit, vegetables, or other ready-to-eat foods without washing your hands, you may transfer bacteria without realizing it. The same risk exists when using the same cutting board, knife, or plate for different foods without cleaning them first. This is called cross-contamination, and it's a leading cause of foodborne illness in home kitchens. After age 60, the immune system becomes less effective, making infections more serious and recovery more difficult. A simple shortcut in the kitchen can lead to stomach cramps, vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, or even hospitalization. Fortunately, preventing cross-contamination is easy. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water after handling raw eggs. Clean countertops, bowls, knives, and utensils immediately, and avoid letting dirty dishes sit in the sink. If possible, use separate cutting boards for raw foods and foods that are ready to eat. These small habits create an extra layer of protection for you and your family. Healthy aging isn't just about choosing nutritious foods, it's also about preparing them safely. Keeping your hands, tools, and kitchen surfaces clean helps prevent harmful bacteria from spreading, making every meal safer and giving you greater peace of mind. Now that we've covered the 4 most common egg mistakes, let's finish with 3 simple kitchen tips that make cooking eggs easier, safer, and more enjoyable. First, follow the 20-minute rule. Before boiling eggs, let them sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes. This reduces the sudden temperature change that can crack the shells, helping the eggs cook more evenly and making them easier to peel. Second, add a teaspoon of white vinegar to the boiling water. If an egg cracks during cooking, the vinegar helps the protein set faster, reducing the amount of egg white that leaks into the water. Many cooks also find it makes peeling hard-boiled eggs a little easier without affecting the flavor. Third, if you enjoy recipes made with raw or lightly cooked eggs, such as Caesar dressing, homemade mayonnaise, chocolate mousse, or tiramisu, choose pasteurized eggs whenever possible. They are specially treated to reduce harmful bacteria while keeping the same taste and texture, making them a safer option, especially for adults over 60. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Small habits like warming eggs before cooking, using a little vinegar, and choosing pasteurized eggs can improve your results while lowering food safety risks. These easy changes help protect your health, give you greater confidence in the kitchen, and allow you to continue enjoying one of nature's most nutritious foods for years to come. Eggs remain one of the healthiest foods for adults over 60. They're rich in high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential nutrients that support your muscles, brain, eyes, and overall well-being. The key isn't avoiding eggs, it's preparing them the right way. Keeping the yolk, cooking eggs thoroughly, storing leftovers safely, and preventing cross-contamination can help you enjoy their full benefits while reducing health risks. Healthy aging comes from small, consistent habits that make a big difference over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Smart Health Daily and watch our next video for more simple nutrition tips and everyday habits to help you stay stronger, healthier, and more independent for years to come.